beautiful Joy community. Let us continue clapping. So it's getting colder and colder. Let us continue clapping. Let us give a huge round of applause for our brother and sister from the Uchoy community. Thank you. Thank you. Now let us invite to the stage from Zampuy Katang Kalai Christian Paul, the Mizo culture. Let us give a huge round of applause for them. Zampuy Second Association came into being in the year 1911 that the JSB. They also celebrated the 100th years of the gospel. Let us promote our culture, tradition through Christ. Let us be the ambassador of Christ to our culture. Let us give a round of applause to our brother and sister who is representing the Mizo culture. And there are two villages in Zampuy, and they are promoting the culture, heritage as well. So, not only that, they are promoting the gospel. There are 12 churches in JSBA, and they have sent many missionaries through this association. Thank you, brother and sister from Mizo culture, representing their beautiful heritage. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, we will be having a solo from JS3KP. Solo from JS3KP, which will be followed by SS3KP, different community culture attire show. So I would like to request all the representatives to be kindly ready. Now let us give the time to the JS3KP Association for their solo. Thank you, brother from JSGKP. God continue to bless you in the coming days. So before I call upon the SSB GKP, I would like to share one thing. Brother, what he have just sang was sung in Mizo language, so many of us will not understand, I believe. So what we have sang is, my path, my road might not be good. The way how I walk might not be good. The part where I'm facing, but God is always there. So let us keep that in our mind. Today we come not only for the annual conference. Let us keep in our heart. Let us try to take something. Not only seeing the beauty, vibrant colors of culture, attire, so here, let us try to take something that we are promoting Christ through our culture and our identity. In the coming days, let us always give thanks to our Lord, even now. So now I would like to call upon the SSB GKP, and we can start with the music. So the first attire from SSBA GKP they're going to present is Molsong, which will be followed by Kai Peng, will be followed by Kuki, Bomser, and Shankol. And SSBA GKP is diverse association which consists of many language speaking culture under Halam community. Let us welcome the Molsong, the first original unity. Let us give a round of applause the Molsong community. They are showcasing their roots, the old culture. This shows the old culture. We will see after this the new culture as well. Vibrant color is beautiful. And today we are not only the Tripura state, from Mizoram, from Assam, from Meghalaya, Nagaland as well. So different tribes here together. We must know that Tripura Baptist Christian Union, we are so much diverse in culture. Just under one association also, we have many language speaking. They're showcasing the agriculture side. The man is sharpening his, we call it gem. That's for cutting. Yes, thank you. So the next, the Molsong, the modern attire. The modern attire. The modern attire. Let us continue clapping for them. The modern attire. So the lady is wearing ponzel and the man is white color wrapped around with rasa and lukong. The modern culture of the lady and the man. But in today's context, if we're attending any program, the men wear trousers and shirts, but let us keep in our mind culture is God's given thing. Let us value it. The most modern culture. The man is carrying gem. It is a sharp knife, the knife for cutting. Yes, thank you. The Molsong culture. Now we have the Kai Peng. Let us continue clapping for our brother and sister. This is the old culture. So the lady, she's wearing ponzel and with a risa and a necklace piece. So we can see the props what they're carrying is all tent. This is for cutting maybe a tree or a grass, or even maybe for cutting the grasses of different plants. So the lady, she's carrying small basket. There she used to carry the crops for harvesting. This is the old culture of Kai Peng community. Now they're cutting the grasses for cultivation. Thank you, the original culture attire. Now we have the modern version. Let us give a round of applause for brother and sister, the modern version. We can see this is the modern culture. So if we may not know, they are wearing the modern culture. The Kaiping are speaking Zhou ethnic language, which is very similar to the Mizo, part of Halong community, and also Mizo Nata. Mosong, Kaiping, Kuki, Boxer, and Shangkol are all under the Mizo Nata. Let us continue clapping for them. Thank you, the modern version attire of Kaiping community. Now let us call upon brother and sister from the Kuki community. Kuki community. The Tripura Kuki community. Let us continue clapping for them. Let us cheer for them. As I have mentioned earlier, it is promoting Christ. God has given us language, different languages. So in Tripura, we also have the Kuki community, which is under Saitong Kizai Baptist Association, which is under SSE and EKP. Let us continue clapping for them. Why we are so silent? Are we not happy? God is giving us beautiful culture identity. Let us be proud of our culture and identity. It's all God's blessing. Thank you, Kuki community. Next we have the Bouncer community. The Bouncer community. Let us welcome them with a round of applause. This is also under Saitong Kizai Baptist Association.